How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change name in OSU. Now, to do this really quick, basically you cannot go ahead and do that inside the OSU application. So we have to head over to our browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using a mobile device or not. Head over to the official website of OSU, log in your account, and then you have to click on your account icon, which is going to be simply this one. And then from here, you want to select setting. Now, onto the first page, you have your username. And of course, in order to change it, just click on change. Now, before you have access to the account information, you actually have to re-verify your account. And this is going to be the prices for the name change. Basically, for the first ever, it's going to be free. But if you continue to change your name for 1, 2, 3, 4, it will then go ahead and be a payment. So just go ahead and click or enter your requested username, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.